As I told you in my previous slide, implementation practice is the mother of learning. All successful people possesses certain truths and habits and principles that makes them success. Everyone has dream, but not everyone possesses the power, knowledge and ability to make their dreams reality, isn't it? I would like to share the quotes and successful stories. The principle that made them success are they set goals and followed them. Almost everyone set goals, only few who implement it. At the beginning of the year, we make resolutions, isn't it? Do we follow? No, we don't follow. We forget after few days or months. But H.L. Hunt is a very good example who knows how to follow through on his goals. H.L. Hunt said that there are only two real requirements for success. Firstly, decide what is that you want. Secondly, determine the price going to pay. So obey the rules and you will be successful. Ignore it and you will remain the local champion. So if we follow his tips, we will be successful in future. And the second example is about Malcolm Gladwell. So he was the person who followed the consistency. If you want to become truly excellent at whatever you do, you need to be consistent. At least 10,000 hours of guided practice is the key to success. This is what he said. Do what you love and cherish and do it well. All successful people follow and they know the secrets. So these are the secrets which the successful people follow it. When we also follow, then easily we can see the success in our life. Well, the real estate Donald Trump Jr. is currently worth over $2.7 billion. He was previously indebted to the tune of $900 million. The world didn't end for him. When he lost all and he was bankrupt, he actually borrowed more money and kept trying until he made it. He never gave up. Similarly, Thomas Edison tried over 10,000 times to make a light bulb before he succeeded. If he would have not taken risk of finding, we would probably end up with the darkness, isn't it? He too didn't give up. In fact, every successful man or woman is a risk taker. When we are child, the society and the people closest to us shaped our life. For instance, your parents probably told you to go to school, finish with good grades and get a good job. My parents too told me the same thing when I was a child. Everything our society preaches to us is get security, and this is why whenever we want to take any big decision in life or do something out of the ordinary, we get scared. The difference between a success and a failure is that a failure runs away from his fear while successful people run towards their fear. Do one thing every day that scares you, said Eleanor Roosevelt. Indeed, Brian Tracy defined self-discipline as the ability to make yourself do what you want to do and should do it whether you feel or you like it or not. Tracy wrote every day not because writing was so interesting but because he had to do it to succeed as a writer. He says you need to really develop this habit because there is no other way to become successful. However, Thomas Stephen Monaghan says value attracts wealth and attention. Becoming successful can be simply defined as solving a problem. Find a problem that your skills, passion, dreams and potential are programmed to solve and solve that problem. So these are the words of successful people to dream. Well, to talk about Christopher Paul Gardner, childhood, he was marked by poverty, violence, alcoholism, sexual abuse and family illiteracy. He didn't even know his father and he was taken away from his mother at a very tender age. As he lived in foster home for a large part of his childhood, he started dreaming to take his own responsibility. You can see now he is a CEO, investor, motivational speaker, author and philanthropist. In fact, his book spent over 20 weeks on the New York Times bestseller list has been translated into more than 40 languages. You can see that despite his unfortunate childhood, he didn't accept the fate he was handed. He took responsibility for his life and he resolved to make a difference. He used what he had to get what he wanted. He is the man who took responsibility of his growth. So we are the one who are responsible for our own growth. And you can see in the picture the man without arms and legs. He made the best of every situation. He is a motivational speaker. He published many books like Life Without Limits, Stand Strong, and so on. He does what every normal person does. Please do watch his video in YouTube. He is the one of the inspirational man born with no arms and legs. Though we are blessed with all features, we give excuses and we procrastinate things. So we can learn many things from those successful people. So there's one more story of Steve Jobs. Behind every successful Steve Jobs is a Steve Wozniak, and there is a Paul Allen behind every successful Bill Gates. You need to have people that will help you achieve your dreams. You can't do it alone. You need mentors, partners, employees, spouse, and so on. Some of the criteria for finding good partners and mentors are who have similar values, experience, loyalty, and mutual benefit among many others. We also call them as like-minded people. Let me tell you another story. In order to generate $1,350 in capital to start Apple, Steve Jobs sold his Volkswagen microbus and Steve Wozniak sold his Helvet Park calculator. They even made what was then a big sacrifice, but it was really a small price to pay. Considering the fact that Apple is currently worth of $80 billion, you need to make your own sacrifices now so that the people can tell you the story or in a years to come. So there is another person, you must be probably guessing. His name is Nelson Mandela. He made a huge sacrifice for his nation and he finally got what he had dreamt about for over 3 decades. So you have to learn many things by watching the successful persons. If you don't take that advice, you are never going to grow and you can as well forget about becoming successful. All the points mentioned above are just principles and will not make you successful until you decide to make them habits. Make a decision to succeed today and nothing can stop you. Be the next successful person and add your picture. I'm in the process. What about you? I would like to thank you for spending your valuable time in watching. Just don't watch and forget. Implement in your life. As I told you, practice is the mother of learning. Successful people put things in action. Start implementing your dreams into an action. Therefore, you have to plan for your future. See you soon with the next topic, Plan Your Future. Take care.